Good morning, students. Today is March 23rd, and we'll continue with Chapter 9. But before we check our answers, I'll show you a video on 3D shapes.
Wow, Moby, that looks achoo! Sorry, Moby. I think you dropped this. What is a cube? A cube is a solid shape. It has 6 faces or flat sides. The faces on a cube are all squares. There are 12 edges where the faces meet, and there are 8 vertices or corners. Plenty of things are shaped like cubes, like an ice cube, a number cube, or a box of tissues. What is a rectangular prism? Just like a cube, a rectangular prism has 12 edges and 8 corners or vertices. You're right, Moby. These solid shapes both have 6 faces. But most faces of a rectangular prism are shaped like rectangles, and all the faces on a cube are squares. Tons of things are shaped like rectangular prisms, like a juice box, radio, and even a thin piece of paper. Some buildings are shaped like rectangular prisms too. What is a pyramid? This pyramid has 8 edges and 5 vertices or corners. There are 5 faces, and 4 of them are shaped like triangles. The base is the face on the bottom. The base of this pyramid is square. But I've definitely seen pyramids with bases that are different shapes. I guess the sides of any pyramid are triangles, and they all meet at one vertex. When I think of pyramids, I think of the Great Pyramids of Egypt. What is a cylinder? It has no vertices and a curved surface. 2 faces on a cylinder are circles. A cylinder can roll. A can of tuna, a penny, and a spool of thread are all cylinders. You know what's really cool? The curved part of a cylinder is actually a rolled up rectangle. What is a cone? A cone is a solid figure with one face, which is at its base. It's shaped like a circle. It has one point and a curved surface. A funnel, a traffic cone, and an ice cream cone are all cones. There's one more solid shape here. What is a sphere? A sphere has no faces, no edges, and no vertices. It's curved and round, so a sphere can roll. A ball, marble, globe, and an orange are all spheres. Sorry about the mess, Moby. Hey!
The homework from Friday was textbook exercise 6, page 46. So check your answers to see if you get the answers correct. And for question number 3, there are 4 rhombuses. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And question number 4, there are 3 trapeziums. So the 3 trapeziums would be 1, 2, and 3. Question number 5. This is a square. We have 4 equal sizes. The 4 sizes, they are of equal length, and we have 4 right angles. So we call it a square. And then for number 6, this is a rhombus because we have 4 equal sizes. So the 4 sizes, they are of the same length, but we do not have any right angles. That's why we call it a rhombus. So let's turn to page 66, part B, at the housewares shop. Question number 1. Mom buys a cup which costs $11 and a bowl which costs $7.60. How much should she pay? And we have a $10 coin and then a $1 to make it $11 for the cup. And we have one $5 coin and a $2 coin to make up the $7 for the bowl. But do not forget the 60 cents. So we have one 50 cents and then one 10 cents. And what we have to learn in this part is that we have to add up the amount of the 2 items. So in order to do so, we need to separate the money into 2 groups, the dollars group and the cents group. So we group all the dollars on one side and then all the cents on one side. So here we have 11 plus 7. So we have $18 here. And here, because we do not have cents for the cup, so simply it's only 60 cents here. So the total would be $18.60. That's the total amount that Mom needs to pay. So when you are asked to add up the amount of 2 items, you do have to put the dollar amounts in this kind of column form. And this is new for you. So I do suggest you to put down the words dollars and cents here and then draw a line to separate the dollars and cents when you do the column form for money. And here, $11 for the cup. So I also suggest you put the number 00 here to remind yourself that there's no cents for the first item. And then we have $7 here for the bowl and then 60 cents for the bowl. So this is the way that you set up the column form for adding the value for 2 items. And then we will start working on the addition for cents first, because we do not have anything for the first item, so simply we have 60 cents for the cents. And then we will work on the dollars part. 1 plus 7, so we have 8 here, and then simply pull down the 1 here. So we have $18.60. So this is the format that we'll write when we have a word problem. You do have to write like this: $11 plus $7.60. And then for the answer, you write in this kind of format. Because this is a word problem, so do not forget about the sentence. She should pay $18.60. Question 2. Mrs. Lee buys a fork which costs $14.90 and a knife $13.50. How much should she pay? So for the horizontal form or the expression, we have to set it up like this. So let's look at the value for the fork. So you'll see a dot here. This is a decimal point. So whatever goes in front of the decimal point, so it would be the amount for dollars. So 14 in front of the dot, so $14. And we have 90 on the right hand side or after the decimal point. So that's the number for the cents. So 90 cents. And this is the case for the value of the knife. So 13 in front of the dot, so $13, and then 50 after the dot, so 50 cents. And then this is the vertical form or the column form. So once again, I suggest you to put down the words dollars and cents and draw a line in between to separate the two parts. And the dollar amount for the first item would be $14. So 14 goes here, and then 19 cents goes here, and $13.50. And we work with the cents first. We try to add up 90 and 50 together. 90 cents plus 50 cents equals to 140 cents. And this is the same thing as $1.40. And remember, $1 actually equals to 100 cents. So when we have 140 cents, that means we have $1.40. So we would carry the $1 over to the dollar part. So this is the little one here. And we add up 1 and 4 and 3 together, which is 8. And then 1 plus 1, we have 2. So the answer would be $28.40. So this is a word problem, so we do have to write a sentence for this. She should pay $28.40. So once again, remember we have the horizontal form, the expression, and then for the other part would be the column form. And then remember to write down your sentence at the end.